Set the brake so the stroller stays steady. For the easiest fold, make sure your front wheels are straight. Now pull the recline lever and flip the seat forward onto itself. This works in either seat direction. Next, press the button to lower the handlebar all the way down. Then slide the lever on the button over and press again to push the handlebar down until the stroller folds down. The stroller will lock and stand on its own. If the seat is off, fold the empty frame the same way. Slide the lever, press the button, and push the handlebar down. To unfold, press the latch inward to release the fold. When the seat is parent-facing, the latch may be tucked behind the seat, so it might be harder to find, but it's on the right side of the frame. Grab the handlebar and pull it up until the stroller clicks open. Adjust your seat back into place. You may need to adjust the handlebar to raise the seat back. Now you're ready to stroll.